At LFA, we supply high-quality capsule filling machines at competitive prices. Our line of capsule fillers start with the SACF 25 semi-automatic capsule filler, capable of producing up to 25,000 capsules per hour with its semi-automatic filling system. Reducing the cost per capsule, the SACF 25 is fast, accurate and reliable, whilst being easy and safe to operate. The SACF 25 is suitable for a wide range of applications, from pharmaceutical production to food supplements, vitamins and minerals, food technology and veterinary applications. We're able to provide tooling sets from 00 to 5, allowing it to be used with almost any formulation, from bulky herbal or mineral supplements to small vitamin capsules. If you're looking to scale up your capsule production, the FACF range are the machines for you. Starting with the FACF 400, providing 24,000 capsules per hour, up to the FACF 3800, providing an exceptional 228,000 capsules per hour. An LCD touchscreen allows you to adjust the speed and monitor the running of the FACF. A capsule rejection system to reject capsules that are not up to standard. The FACF range uses a vacuum capsule positioning system that ensures capsules enter the filling balls consistently to increase smooth output. One operator could easily operate multiple FACF machines because of the alarm system to warn the operator when the formulation is running low, helping you reduce labour costs. Supplied with tooling sets of your choice, from 000 to 5. We also supply support and training. If you purchase your machine with us, you can visit one of our facilities to receive in-house training. We're also constantly updating our video library, showing you how to adjust your machines. If you'd like to know more about our capsule fillers, please get in touch at www.lfacapsulefillers.com/contact.